Welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today we're exploring the virtual reality and how it's set to revolutionize our future. VR is booming. Headsets are getting better and more advanced with each passing year. Experiences are getting more immersive, transporting users to entirely new worlds and realities. It's clear VR is not just a fad, it's here to stay and revolutionize how we interact with digital content. Remember the clunky headsets of the past? Those days are fading as technology evolves rapidly. We're seeing sleeker designs, sharper visuals, and more intuitive controls that make the experience seamless. Companies like Meta, HTC, and Valve are pushing the boundaries, making VR more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. But VR is more than just cool gadgets. It's about creating new ways to experience and interact with the world. Imagine exploring ancient Rome, walking through its streets and witnessing history firsthand. Learning about the human body from the inside out, seeing organs and systems in a way textbooks can't offer, or collaborating with colleagues in a virtual office. Breaking down geographical barriers and fostering innovation. This is the potential of VR. It's a tool that can transform education, entertainment, and even our daily lives. Virtual reality is like a dream you can control. It's like having a remote control for your imagination. The future is so bright you might need VR shades. What does the future hold for VR? The possibilities are endless and incredibly exciting. Hold on tight, because things are about to get really interesting. Here are some predictions that will blow your mind. 1. Standalone VR. Say goodbye to those pesky wires. No more tripping over cables or being tethered to a single spot. Standalone headsets will become the norm, offering more freedom and mobility. You'll be able to move around your space with ease. Imagine easily taking your VR experiences anywhere, anytime, whether you're at home, at a friend's place, or even outdoors. 2. Enhanced sensory experiences. Get ready for even more immersive experiences. The virtual world will feel more real than ever. Haptic feedback suits will let you feel sensations in the virtual world, from a gentle breeze to a powerful impact, while advanced motion tracking will capture your movements with incredible precision. Every gesture, every step will be mirrored perfectly. 3. The rise of the metaverse. This isn't just a buzzword, it's a revolutionary concept that will change how we interact online. The metaverse is a persistent shared virtual world where you can work, socialize, and play. It's like a parallel universe. VR will be the key to unlocking its full potential. It will be the gateway to new experiences and opportunities we can only dream of today. In the future, VR will be so real you might forget to take off your headset. Imagine attending a virtual concert and not worrying about stepping on someone's toes. The only limit is your imagination and maybe your Wi-Fi speed. VR isn't just for gamers. It's a versatile technology with applications far beyond the realm of gaming. It's poised to transform entire industries, bringing about changes we could only dream of a few years ago. Let's take a look at 3 key areas where VR is making a significant impact. 1. Entertainment. Forget flat screens and traditional viewing experiences. VR will put you in the heart of the action, offering a level of immersion that was previously unimaginable. Imagine watching live concerts from the front row, experiencing immersive storytelling that makes you feel like a part of the narrative, or even stepping onto the field with your favorite athletes, feeling the adrenaline rush as if you were right there. 2. Education. VR can make learning more engaging and effective by providing interactive and immersive experiences. Students can explore ancient civilizations, dissect virtual organisms with precision, or even travel through time to witness historical events firsthand, all from the comfort of their classrooms, making education more accessible and exciting. VR in education means no more boring lectures, just virtual adventures. 3. Healthcare. VR is already being used for medical training, pain management, and even treating phobias with great success. In the future, we can expect even more innovative applications in surgery, rehabilitation, and mental health, revolutionizing patient care and treatment methods. In healthcare, VR can make you feel better without the bitter pill. Entertainment will be so immersive, you might need a virtual lifeguard for your virtual pool. Section 4. Overcoming challenges, seizing opportunities, the future landscape of VR. The future of VR is like a blank canvas, ready for your wildest dreams. It's like having a magic wand, but with better graphics. The only thing missing is the smell of virtual popcorn. While the future of VR is bright, challenges remain. Cost, content, and accessibility are just a few hurdles that need to be overcome. But with every challenge comes opportunity. Entrepreneurs, creators, and innovators are already pushing the boundaries of what's possible with VR. Section 5. A world transformed. The enduring impact of VR. VR will leave a mark on the world just like a virtual footprint. It's like having a time machine but without the paradoxes. The impact of VR will be so profound, you might need a virtual tissue. With VR, you can travel the world without leaving your couch. Talk about a staycation. VR, where reality meets imagination and they become best friends. This is the future that VR can help us create. Section 6. Conclusion: embracing the virtual reality revolution. The VR revolution is here and it's virtually unstoppable. It's like a roller coaster ride, but without the motion sickness. Embrace the future because it's virtually amazing. VR has something to offer. So, put on a headset, step into the unknown, and experience the magic of virtual reality.